Today we're going to find out how much of a crop we got from our sprouting spuds. Hello, I'm Griff Rees. Welcome to Gwynny Griffith. Here we talk everything beekeeping, farming, countryside living, and we do reviews as well. Now today, the time of year has come. These have grown, a bit of blight and the bugs have been eating at them, and it's time to actually harvest the potatoes. Was it a good move? Was it worth planting those sprouting spuds? Let's find out. Right, so this is the first bucket, the Will Jazz. Oh, that's looking good. Throw them back in the bucket. Oh, now there. Look at this. Look at this. And I think this came from 2 potatoes. We'll have to double check on the video. But definitely gonna have a couple of meals off this one bucket. And look how nice those potatoes look. And the amazing thing is, these were literally destined for the bin. Look at all this food. Another handful there. Another one there. I think that's it for that bucket. Yeah. And just to remind you, that's all we did here was put some sprouting spuds in the bucket with Merlin's Magic Compost, and I've literally just left it for the whole summer. Do you think that's worth it? Put 2 potatoes in there for that much potatoes? I think it is. Let's go through some more. So what's this? The tag is gone from this. Let's see if we're gonna have a crop of these as well. Whoop, there's 1, 2, whoop, there's 3, 4. These are a bit on the small side, and to be honest with you, if we had watered these a bit more, these potatoes would have probably come a bit bigger. But I don't mind those size there. That's the perfect size for eating in my books. And if they didn't get blight and these insects eating away at them, they'd have grown better as well. But we're gonna, I think, not far off, a quarter or half fill this bucket by the end now. That bucket wasn't as good as the first one. You see, that's the original spud, rotted away. Okay, one good one, one bad one. Let's go through another one. So this one was Tesco Maris Piper. So let's see how these Tesco potatoes did. Not so good. Oh, there's a good one. I think the Welsh Wilger. Oh, look at that, something's eating that. Or is that the old one maybe? Tell you what, I think the Welsh Wilgers so far have done the best. We're into a couple more here now. Oh, right there, we're getting a bit better here now. Another big handful. Little baby potatoes, the kids like them. Couple of good ones there. This one's okay in my book. This is acceptable for 2 potatoes destined for the bin. We're definitely kind of filling our bucket up. But you could argue that this is free food. because all this compost we've used up is going to get reused again. So it just costs a little bit of time, put the potatoes in the pots, and that's it. I think that's going to be that for that bucket. We've got 2 more buckets. Alright, so this is bucket number 4. Will jar. Hopefully this is going to be as good as the first one. Oh, now I tell you, these will jars, these are the potatoes to grow when they start sprouting from the shops. Oh yes, look at this. Now we're talking again. Right, okay then, last bucket. Here we go. Did that have a ticket? Will jars and Maris Piper mix. So let's have a look. Oh, that's looking good. That's looking really good. It's the best one yet, I think. And I think that's going to be it. So, look at that. Look at all those potatoes. Now when you think I don't know how much weight is in there. There's a good few feeds in there for a whole family. Some nice ones, some okay ones, and some small ones. And to be honest, you get them that kind of sizes even when you grow them in the big raised bed. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buckets, and that was roughly 10 potatoes that I put in here, 2 per bucket. 1 bucket completely failed with me, they didn't grow at all, so something must have been wrong with those 2 potatoes. But I tell you what, for a bit of compost that I use up that I can reuse again, save putting those 10 potatoes in the bin, I've literally turned that into several meals. Now you've got to say, that is recycling at its best, and super simple gardening that anyone can do at home, whether you're teaching your kids how to garden or you just don't want to throw a sprouting potato away and you want to turn it into more potatoes. I think that is a success. Well, that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and I've inspired you maybe next year or this year, depending when you're watching this video, that you're going to grow your sprouting spuds and get some free food from it. Well, that's it. Now, if you liked this video and you want to watch more of the same kind of content, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I try my best to put a new video out every week. Thanks for watching.